All right, we are back, part 3 of John Goshgarian Talks, and John, it's just been really educational to learn a little bit about personal injury as it relates to me as a South Florida resident. Now, I know again in the last session, I ended up by saying, I have friends who had personal injury situations, and the insurance companies have given them a hard time, and even sometimes not giving them the claim that they deserve. So, how does lawyers help in this, and why is legal representation so important with a personal injury situation?
Right, very good question, Jack. Insurance itself is a very complex business and something that needs, I think, expertise to assist somebody, whether it's on a contractual type basis or an injury type basis. But the reason legal consultation is needed is kind of twofold. One, you want to make sure that the insurance carrier is disclosing all forms of insurance that may provide coverage, because that's really our business, to make sure that you are provided with the ultimate coverage, the ultimate compensation that you have for your particular injury. So there are certain types of policies, certain questions that you need to ask to make sure that there is a full disclosure that's required under Florida law by the insurance carrier to you when you're making a claim, where they produce the policy and the declaration page showing you the maximum benefits that you may be entitled to in the particular situation. Secondly, the reason why it may benefit you to have an attorney when making a claim with an insurance carrier, perhaps before a lawsuit or dealing with one during a lawsuit, is the presentation of your claim. And through my experience as being an insurance defense attorney at one time, I kind of have a little idea what the carriers are looking for, what may trigger them to satisfy your claim, whether or not your claim might be legitimate. And I can give you advice from the beginning of whether or not this claim has merit, of course, and it's worth presenting in a particular value. But what's necessary is to present your claim in a thorough manner and to respond to questions that the insurance carrier may have, an adjuster, to see whether or not there will be an ultimate benefit or reward under the policy.
And for, I think, guys like me, if I get it's man, we need a lawyer up to make sure that we're getting our rights, when it comes to what we're paying for. So. Yeah. Man,
I mean, the litigation, the claim insurance field, it's a complex thing. I mean, some, minor type accidents, if your car has had a fender bender, you need to make a claim with an insurance company to get your car fixed. That's one thing. But those who are significantly injured in a case or lose a family member in an accident, it's a major significant event, and I recommend legal representation be presented, and of course my office is always there to assist.
Great, thank you, John. We're going to be back with a few more questions, and looking forward to our next question. Thanks.